දසනකාන්තී චූර්ණය සහිත ලීවර් ආයිෂ් දන්තාලේපය දත්වල ඇති ප්‍රශ්න 10ක් වලකයි.
The general public is requested by the Meteorological Department to take adequate precautions to minimize damages caused by temporary localized strong winds and lightning during thunder showers expected within the next 36 hours. Meanwhile, the Department of Meteorology also issued an advisory for heavy showers, strong winds and rough seas until tomorrow. The advisory went on to warn that due to the low-level atmospheric disturbance in the vicinity of Sri Lanka, there is a high chance of thunder showers associated with active cloudiness in the sea areas of the coast extending from Batticaloa to Puttlam via Trincomalee, Kankasanture and Mannar. The Met Department also highlighted the high possibility of heavy showers and thunder showers and sudden roughness associated with the increase of wind speeds in the deep and shallow areas of the sea. Naval and fishing communities are requested to be vigilant.
Low-level disturbance has developed in the vicinity of Sri Lanka. So showery condition over the island has enhanced from today onwards. We expect this condition till 3rd November. We expect showers during the evening, but northern and eastern provinces showers can occur at any time of the day. But remaining parts of the island, there's a higher probability of occurrence of evening thunderstorms. Heavy falls above 100 millimeter also likely at some places in northern centre, Sabaragamuwa and Gol, Matara and Kalatara districts. We expect this enhancement till 3rd, but after that we only expect some sort of temporary reduction because October, November is usually we receive like 30% of our annual rainfall. So again we can expect some sort of enhancement on 6th November.